specifically, given President Obama in 2009, how does that affect the work of the Massachusetts legislature? What kind of things do you expect to be, easier or harder? How does that affect us locally?
Well, I think we've seen some of the challenges where the state legislature and the governor have taken action on health care, on things like increasing and improving our public transportation. But the bottom line is that over the past 30 years, federal funding for public transportation, commuter rail, for education, for environmental protection, and for health care, really, we've seen a lot of cuts. And so, I think we've already seen the mass health care law can't sustain itself unless we get more federal support, that our commuter rails and roads and bridges aren't going to improve unless we get more federal money and make those investments in each state, including Massachusetts. So I think that's one of the critical pieces. And I think the other piece is why are we in the problem we are now? And there's a lot of things, but I think one of them is the war in Iraq. Trillions of dollars being spent on that and not being focused on investing in infrastructure and environmental protection and improving health care. And I think there's a direct connection. So that's one of the big reasons why I was an early supporter of Senator Obama.
And